does look like it's well boxed. Looks like maybe this has fallen down from somewhere, but the shop looks like it didn't take any hits. It all looks well packaged. Let's get this thing out of there. Alright, so I got this thing cleaned up and on the cart. This is just a standard T56 Magnum. It's a 2.97 to 1 low gear with a 0.5 to 1 sixth gear. So it's the wide ratio. That 0.5 to 1 is really going to help out with my 486s. I still like to cruise the highway at 80 miles an hour, so this will help me do that. Really nice, even with the steep gear. I have a QuickTime bell housing to put on it, and just got to build a trans mount, and this thing will go right in. Never mind the rigging I got going on there, but got the long shifter on there. This thing feels solid. I hope it feels that good in the car.